Are you tired of spending hours and hours creating quizzes? What if I told you there's a way to generate complete assessments instantly, right inside Google Forms? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how a little bit of AI magic can completely change the way you create quizzes and assessments. We all know that manually writing questions, coming up with multiple choice options, and then setting up the answer key in Google Forms can be a massive time sink. For teachers and trainers, that's valuable time that could be spent on, actually teaching and connecting with learners, not stuck on admin tasks. But there is a much better way. We're going to use an AI-powered add-on. First, you'll want to head over to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, look for an AI quiz generator. A great one to start with is called Magic Form. Go ahead and install it. Once it's installed, you'll see it appear right in your Google Forms sidebar, ready to go. Alright, now for the really cool part. Open up a new Google form, look for the puzzle piece icon for add-ons, and select your new AI tool. You'll see a few options pop up. You can generate a quiz from a specific topic, from a block of text you provide, or even from a YouTube video link. Let's try generating one from a topic. I'm going to type in the basics of photosynthesis and see what it comes up with. And just like that, the AI instantly generates a whole set of relevant questions based on that topic. You can quickly review them, edit anything you want to tweak, or delete questions that don't fit. Once you're happy with the questions, you just click one button, and the AI automatically populates your entire Google form. It adds all the questions, the multiple choice options, and even sets up the correct answer key for you. It really is that simple. And that's all there is to it. You've just created a complete, ready-to-use assessment in just a few seconds. This simple integration can save you countless hours of work, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more AI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.